Hiya guys, this is the UHURU UM-920 and today I'm going to share a true preview of this USB condenser microphone. At £54.99, the UHURU UM-920 is one of many condenser microphone kits currently sold on Amazon that's targeted towards a budget professional market. I will start off by saying that this review is not sponsored or endorsed by UHURU and all of the opinions in this video are my own. To demonstrate the performance and quality of the microphone, this voiceover was recorded with the UHURU UM-920. Please note that the audio was recorded at a 48 kHz 16-bit sample rate and has not been enhanced in any way. The microphone kit includes a condenser microphone, a metal shock mount, a desktop stand, a pop filter, a foam cover, a 2.5 meter USB cable, a user manual and an aluminium storage case. The microphone looks and feels professional, and the desktop stand and shock mount are both quick and easy to assemble. I really like the aluminium storage case, which provides protection to the microphone when it's being transported or stored. The user manual contains all of the basic information required to get started. The microphone itself is extremely easy and intuitive to use. Simply connect the microphone to your laptop using the USB cable provided, wait a few moments for the drivers to install, and you are ready. Please note that there is no power indication light on the microphone. The microphone is compatible with both Mac and Windows computers and is also compatible with the PS4. To record audio on your computer, I recommend downloading a free software package such as Audacity to record and edit your audio, as this enables you to select your desired sample rate and regulate gain control. The microphone is equipped with a 16mm diaphragm and boasts a wide frequency response from 30Hz to 16 kHz. The microphone is capable of recording at 192 kHz 24-bit sample rate, which is far greater than the standard sample rate of 48 kHz 16-bit. The cardioid condenser capsule provides a unidirectional polar pattern, where the microphone is most sensitive to sounds coming from in front of the mic and least sensitive to sounds coming from behind. The cardioid pattern offers very good feedback rejection from background noise, which makes it ideal for recording voiceovers, instruments or singing. It is recommended that the pop filter is positioned in front of the microphone when recording vocals to eliminate popping sounds caused by the mechanical impact of fast-moving air on the microphone. Furthermore, it's recommended that the foam cover is used when the microphone is used outside to protect the microphone against wind interference. Having tested this microphone, I feel that it provides a good level of clarity considering the £54.99 price tag. To summarise, I feel that the UHURU UM-920 microphone kit is ideal for anyone looking to record professional audio on a budget. I hope that this review and the sample audio of the UHURU UM-920 has been helpful. Thank you for taking the time to watch my review. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Have a great day.